tourism, you have fixed attractions. Yun ang unang hanapin ninyo. In your area, the first thing you should look at is fixed attractions. The second one is you should look at your place, what could be a part of an event. Saan kayo maglalagay ng event doon sa inyong area? You know, kailangan umpisahan ninyo yan. You know, yung ikakasal, yung mga birthday, yung mga ganyan. Start with the community. Start with the community slowly. No? And develop the whole thing. Kasi dali naman mag-start, lalo na sa atin, maglagay lang tayo ng kung anong bunties, kung anong magaganda, may flowers, may ano. You have an event place. So start with events, kasi events is one of the biggest areas for farm tourism. And the third are the services. Ang services nyo, accommodation, yung homestay. Pangalawa, yung tours. Pangatlo, yung retail sales. Pang-apat, yung recreational. Kailangan meron kayong recreational activities all around the place. Ito lang ang tandaan ninyo, hindi kayo mawawala. Just look at this and look at the farms, and when you get back, make sure that you understand anong fixed attraction. I will tell you a story. In one of our courses that we deal with medicinal plants, no? Medicinal plants. So one day I had a guest. Friends ko yan, no? Hindi ko alam na magkakaroon ng resulta yun. So I invited them and we went to a farm. Dinala ko agad sila sa farm, no? Doon sa farm, natapakan ko yung makahiya. Alam niyo yung makahiya? Okay, natapakan ko, nag-close. Sabi ng friend ko, sabi niya, Ina, what's that plant? O sabi ko, that's our miracle plant. Sabi ko, it says good time when the owners are leaving. Sabi ko, and it wears ka, welcome state when you're here. So sabi niya, oh my God, that is very juicy. Hindi ko alam, meron siyang greenhouse in Germany. He collects plants from all over the place that has stories to tell. No? So sabi niya, I must have that meaning. Sabi niya, I must have. So sabi ko, let's go to hindi tayo ng permiso, ganyan, kasi ipunin, may lupa, dadalhin sa plant. Guess what? When I came to Germany, nakapila ang tao sa greenhouse, he was charging 5 euros. 5 euros per person. Ang ginagawa niya, papasok yung tao, nakapila. We have to see the miracle plant from the Philippines. Pinakita nila dyan. Titignan lang, di mahaba, no? Yung mahabang lugar, no? Kapila yun yan.
Kakayat na kayo,
Labi pindutin na lang, di mamamatay. Tapos, labi pindutin na niya, hanggang dumating sa dulo. Bubukas na naman siya ulit.
pati Jay Foreigner,
Yun ang mga susunod na gagawa.
nakita na Jay,
5 euros in one line. Wala pa silang segundo.
Yan yun, di ba kaya?
You know, but we have to see the miracle plant of the Philippines.
Layaw na
Now,
inyawid na
I
Jay.
just want to show you that a simple makahiya earns money, but we stumble on them. So, ang aking bilin, before you dig your first farm, and you start digging and cleaning your farms, the first thing you should do is learn what you have in the farm. Because they can be income generating. Ang sabi ko nga, oops, the weeds, you know, what happens to the weeds? Remember that there are weeds that are actually, you know,